Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. The current session focuses on sociolinguistics and other disciplines. I hope and expect by the end of the session, you would be able to understand the relationship between sociolinguistics and other disciplines. Well, my dear students, as far as the study of language is concerned, two basic perspectives can be taken on it. One is the perspective that considers anatomy of language, that is the structure of language. How are words structured, how are phrases structured, and how sentences are structured in a particular language, or how it is different from the structural perspectives when it is compared or contrasted to another language. This is what falls under this category. The other perspective that can be taken is of physiology of language, that is the functions of language, because language is not used in a vacuum and it is not used purposelessly. It always has certain purposes to fulfill or certain functions to perform. So, by using language, what we do is we perform various social functions, such as we make requests, we accept requests, we make apologies, we accept or reject invitations, we promise, we threaten, we try to please somebody through that, we greet somebody, etc. So this can be a perspective of the study of language where it can be seen how in a particular language all these functions are performed. Well, my dear students, when it comes to sociolinguistics, it is the descriptive study of the effect of any and all aspects of society, including cultural norms, expectations, and context on the way language is used, and society's effect or impact on the linguistic choices. So, sharing the general goal, what we can say is, in its broader goal of describing language and its relationship to the society, social behavior, and culture, it overlaps with numerous other disciplines. What I want to say is, since sociolinguistics looks at how society and language are interlinked, and because there are many other disciplines which have the broader goal of describing the relationships of different social behaviors. So if we take language as a social behavior, so sociolinguistics links or connects to many other disciplines. Most notably, it overlaps with the following, disciplines. Sociology, that is the study of the impact of language on society. Philosophy, linguistic anthropology, psychology. So, for example, sociolinguistics, how does it link with psychology? Because psychology is the study of behavior, and sociolinguistics is, or it includes the study of linguistic behavior, how people behave differently when it comes to linguistic behavior in different situations. These studies are included in sociolinguistics, so it connects with psychology. And dialectology, dialects, the local varieties of language that are used in different areas. There are always social and cultural reasons of this linguistic behavior, and sociolinguistics provides insights into that. Even within linguistics, different branches of linguistics can be connected to sociolinguistics. For example, historical linguistics. Sociolinguistics connects to historical linguistics because it would help us understand how at a certain time point back in the history, at a particular point or yet another particular point, how people linguistically behaved differently, how their culture, their values and norms at that particular time affected the changes that came into the language. It also links to geographical linguistics because, within the broader sphere of the globe or the cultures, various cultures that exist, as geographical linguistics looks at linguistics from geography perspective, from where a particular language is located. Sociolinguistic links to it because it tells us how in that particular geographical area the social and the cultural aspects make certain influences on the linguistic choices. It also links to descriptive linguistics because it enables the descriptive linguists to describe how language is being used in a particular social area. Comparative and contrastive linguistics that look at the comparisons and contrasts of different languages. Sociolinguistics also connects very closely to that because these comparisons cannot be made in vacuum. They need to have a social and cultural context for that. It links to psycholinguistics, that is the psychological, behavioral, or attitudinal aspects of the study of language, which of course link to sociolinguistics because they all happen or take place in a social context. Ethnolinguistics. Various ethnic identities and linguistic choices are studied under ethnolinguistics, and the social aspects of that, or the social dimension of that, can be taken care of by linking sociolinguistics with ethnolinguistics. So I hope that you understand that sociolinguistics connects to a lot of disciplines, and this is what adds to the significance of sociolinguistics.